Right. So just a very quick one on the model. Tell me where you are and what you need to complete your assignment.
Right.
Where are you at the moment? What have you done so far?
I have finished this entire thing. Now I'm in a scenario. Okay. Learning outcome. I just wanted to know one thing once. I will just share you my screen. Just
Okay.
a minute.
Okay, let me stop sharing, then you can show yours.
Okay. See this. Okay. Now my concern over here is
Let me bear with me. Let me see if yeah. Okay, yeah, it's
okay.
coming.
Now my concern over here is learning outcome. The learner will. Okay, I have to give a brief about understanding the roles and strategy management of human resource. Got it. I have to give a brief. Then comes in assignment criteria and the learner can. 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Everything I have to give a brief. Am I right?
Yes.
Great. I do the same thing with 2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. Again, 3, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. 4, 4.1,
Yes.
4.2, 4.3. Done. I have given all the briefs. Now, main criteria over here scenario. Okay. Now you have mentioned over here. I had asked like whether I can take my current industry, that is automobile segment, which will be more. I will be more easier to you know get tips and bits about it. So concern over here is the down part. This part. Uh, I have to write a brief for 12 months. Okay, I got this entire thing. But now over here, the instructions are given. Your briefing will be a report format and will consider the following two parts.
Yeah.
Now, the scenario, you mean to say every scenario I have to narrate it in a story. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So, like, critically examine the nature of and importance of strategy human resource management in the organization. I have to give a brief story about this. This is what I understand. Okay.
Yeah.
So once I complete this, I want to know this report is 4,500 words, including TOC, diagrams referred, and now I need to know this entire project is of 4,500 words or only the scenarios of 4,500 words.
Okay. So you go down again. Let me show you something. Go to where yeah. Okay. Yeah. No, go up a little. So let's look at the report one, the first one, that first tax.
Right.
Go to the first tax.
The first one on top.
Yes. Yeah, part one.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so you see what they are doing. No, what go down just a little. Part one, the scenario one. Yeah. Okay. So
Okay.
let's look at the scenario first. So you were recently appointed as the HR resource manager of a
Right.
successful UK business. You should ideally choose one of the following businesses. And you are saying that you want to use your company, correct?
Exactly.
Okay. So in the last 12 months, the company's turnover has declined with a staff increase of 20%. The company has also expanded within the UK or within wherever you are. Due to the challenging rapid growth, the employee turnover is on the rise. Okay. as human resource manager, your immediate job is to restructure and redesign the HR department, serving the best interests of the company and the employees and meeting legal requirements. You are required to prepare a management briefing to the board of directors. So task number 1. So go up a little. So your task number 1, no, go up. Let's go up. Sorry, I said go down, sorry. Yes. So the part A, your briefing. So you are supposed to do a management briefing. Yeah. So what is management briefing? The management briefing is going to be in a form of an essay. Yeah. Okay. So it's going to be in the form of an essay. And we are saying that it's supposed to be in 2 parts. That is what the requirement is demanding, that you are supposed to have 2 parts. The first part, you are supposed to cover certain things, and these are going to be in learning outcome 1 and learning outcome 2. So all the assessment criteria from 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3, then learning outcome 2, 2.1, 2.2 and 2.3 should be covered in this. Okay. Yeah, in this one. Then the second part will cover the other learning outcomes 3 and 4. Okay. But this whole assignment, the part A and part B should sum up to 4,500 words. So it's not 4,500 words for part A and 4,500 words for part B. Together, you are supposed to have 4,500 words.
Okay, now,
so
sorry. Okay, carry on.
Yes. Yeah, so that is what they are saying. But these words should exclude your table of contents, obviously. That, okay, this is what you are going to see in my report. You're going to see an introduction, you're going to see the body, you're going to see the discussion, and then you're going to see the conclusion. Then if you have any models or diagrams that you are going to include, that is not part of it. And obviously some tables and other things, appendices, and maybe you're referencing. Yeah, so it is the work itself, the information that you are providing, that is supposed to be 4,500. All you have to do is to just align it to the various learning outcomes and the assessment criteria. So if you go up, you see that this one is critically examine the nature and importance of strategic human resource management in organizations, then assess the role and the purpose of strategic, then evaluate that, then determine, then develop. All these have been provided in the assessment criteria and your learning material. So you only address them.
Okay.
So that is how it's supposed to be. Then when you finish the first part, you just put part B, then you start the part B also, and that is also going to cover the various assessment criteria. I don't know whether I've answered the first question that you've asked, that is it supposed to be the whole work that is supposed to be 4,500? Yes, it's the whole work that is supposed to be 4,500 words. Is that clear?
So yeah, that's clear. So it is the only one assignment which will be 4,500 words, including
Yes.
it will be covering the scenario part A and part B.
Yes.
I have to also give all the briefings for this, like the scenarios, learning outcome and assessment criteria. I have to give them a brief what I understood, and then I go on say the scenario and I make a small kind of essay kind of story, and I put this into part A and part B. Perfect.
Yeah, so all you are doing is that the assessment criteria, which is coming out of the learning outcomes, you are now going to put them all together into one, but you are going to break them into two parts. So you are addressing the scenario. You're going to answer. You're going to provide a briefing for the management. Okay, so all you are going to do is that with all the information that you have, you're going to start with an introduction. Yeah, so you start with an introduction that what is human resource all about. Yeah, so you have to do some definitions and give an introduction of the various subjects that you're going to talk about. What is human resources? What does management of human resources is all about? Yeah. Why the need? Yeah. So you give a small introduction of that. Then you would just put part A. So the part A, then you begin to answer the question based on the assessment criteria for each of them. So then you put, what's the name? Critically examine the nature of that. Then you put whatever information that you have under it. Then you go to the next one, assess this, you put all the information that you have under it. Then evaluate, you put all the information you have under it. Up to develop a human resource plan, which you would have your own information to put there. Then you have a break. So you can title the first one part A. It's okay. Yeah. Okay. Then when you finish with the part A, having given all your responses with your tables and all your information, then you give a break or you put a paragraph. Then you put part B. Then part B, you begin to answer the second part based on the assessment criteria information that you have. And when you finish that, you just put a conclusion. Okay. So it's just one work that you do. You don't have to do the assessment criteria, other things at the top before you start addressing the scenario. Your question is just the scenario. So whatever you are answering is just the scenario. So what all you are going to do is that I'm answering the scenario, but I'm using my company as a reference. Yeah. Yeah, you are using your company as a reference. That's all you would have to do. Critically examine the nature and importance of strategic human resource management in organizations. So you pick your organization, for instance, and you say that, okay, in our organization, this is the model that we use. This is the type of human resource management style that we use, and this is the pros or the strengths of it, and this is the weaknesses of it, and maybe these are the steps that needs to be taken to be able to make it work properly in future. That is it. Yeah. Yeah. So I don't know whether I've answered the first question.
No, I had this doubt. That is the reason why I wanted that more clarity, because it to be explained on chat, it was not able to. I got the point. Now, one more help I would requiring.
Yes.
Can you send me some, videos that shows how should I finish my assignment so that I submit my assignment by tomorrow or day after?
Oh, yes, yes. You don't have it?
No, I do not.
Okay, that's not a problem at all. I'll forward a copy to you so that you can, go on the model and send it. Yeah. Yes. So you've got all your information together. You only have to organize it. Is that correct?
Yes, 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 that's right. Now, my last and the final question is, can you see my screen?
No, it's just the first one that is still on.
Okay. Okay.
So you can take this one off.
Okay, now
Okay.
this is the form that I need to be filled in every assignment that I complete, if I'm not mistaken,
Yeah. Let's see.
right? So my name will be there. From where I will get my registered number.
Hmm. Yes, bear with me. Let me just see if I can find the video. Then at least we can go through together.
Right.
Let me, if you can, yeah, put your screen down, then I will share another screen.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
It's fine, not
Resources that you use, whatever books and articles that you use, you have to make references to them.
okay. I have to refer them.
That's right, definitely, definitely. So whatever books or any journals or articles, anything that materials from work or anything that you have tables that you were able to pick from your HR department or whichever, yeah, just make references to them, and that is very important. Yeah, so that at least when they are looking for other things, yeah, you not be a victim. Yeah.
Perfect. All right, that's it. Thank you for your pleasure time. It was wonderful talking to you.
Yeah.
In fact, this helped me out a lot because I was just in a urge, when will I submit my assignments?
You'll be
So,
fine. Today you'll be able to do it.
yes,
Be able to
yes.
do
So
it.
I hope very soon my assignment should reach you guys.
Yeah,
And let's see. Finger crossed.
that's right.
Hope for
You'll
the
be
best.
fine. You'll be fine. So
Perfect.
thank you so much for your time. I'll forward the
Yeah.
video onto you also, and
Yes, yes.
just go
Just
through it.
send me the recording also, the recorded video also, so that, if I
Yes,
forget, I can refer to that.
no
All
problem
right.
at all. All
Yalla.
right then.
Shukran. Thank
Enjoy
you
the
very,
rest
very
of your
much. Yeah.
weekend.
Have a lovely
Yes.
weekend. Thank you. Take care.
Yes. Bye.
Bye.